something blah 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 serverless. Does that term confuse you? How can there be no servers involved? Or does it intrigue you? No server setup? Little event-driven bits of code in the cloud that you compose individually? Or does it repel you? Is it just another fad? There's only one way to find out. Let's build something and see for ourselves. Something other than a to-do list in Foobar's Hello World. I want to see if I can build an application that I am proud of. Something compelling and interesting that isn't a big fat mess. That's what we're going to do in this video. A year ago, I set out to build an e-commerce site using some kind of serverless approach. Each effort was interesting, but things always got too complicated. I tried AWS Lambda with various frameworks, including Serverless and Claudia. It worked okay, but ended up being kind of complicated and just a bit expensive. I've also knitted together various hosted services, including Sendel, Gumroad, DPD, UserApp, Shopify, among others. It worked okay too, but it's simply not the same as having your own design, your own process, and your own code. Then in March of 2017, the Firebase team, now at Google, announced Firebase Functions, jumping into the serverless space. It looked amazing. After 2 weeks, I had a working e-commerce store, and more than that, I had something that I was proud of, put together exactly the way that I wanted. But is it secure? This is a really complex rule set, and it's a great way to highlight how you can use multiple validations together. Hey, look it, we're connected. How exciting. Alright, so in real elapsed time, this took exactly 16 minutes and 40 seconds to get an SSL certificate. I think that's neat. And look at it, I've got my domain up there. So the first thing I want to do is I want to reset the items on the order because we don't trust our client. That's really, really important. I'm not going to trust any payment information coming from the client page. What I find is it testable. That result is going to be set up in the same way that I've done before. I'll have a success flag on it and some data that I'll want to take a look at. I hear it can be kind of expensive. Consider this poor person. I shouldn't laugh, it's not very funny. This happened while I was putting together this video. This poor startup, home automation, that does Internet of Things stuff, well, they had their Firebase costs go up from, it's funny, I'm sorry, $25. That's where it was at. It went from $25 to almost $2,000. Akamai, my favorite Hawaiian saying. It means be smart, think about this. You should know this stuff ahead of time. Let's not get one surprise, huh? I decided to record the process of building this serverless online store and to share it with you. You'll learn the good things and not so good things of trying to build a serverless application on the Firebase stack. In addition, you're going to get one hell of a cool e-commerce application, ready to build out just as you need.